Snap, snap, the pin in the Dogbone. Snap, snap, my whip back full blown. Snap, snap, the jump game too strong. RCP screaming all day long.
Alright, we have one mission. Destroy the drive shafts. Everything's holding so far. Oh, don't hit yourself. What are we stuck on? Is that a problem? Oh, okay, front left Dogbone. That's why. Luckily, I can fix that easily. Let's see, where did it break? Is it on the inside of the cup? So the front looks like CVDs. I can see the Dogbone head snapped off right there on both sides, so no problem. We can fix that.
Snap, snap, my whip back full blown. Snap, snap, the jump game too strong. RCP screaming all day long. Snap, snap, broken on the backflip. Snap, snap, now on the toolkit. Snap, snap, new pins, new chrome. I ride with the torque, floater to the dome.
Alright, she's back in. Everything's good. We're working again. Next up, let's get back out there and beat the crap out of it.
I don't expect this thing to last long. We'll see what happens. Ooh. Full power. Oh, that was nasty. Not cool. Oh yeah, that was awesome. Oh. That's how you break something. Power with a four-wheel drive. Wow. That one's called the Twizzler. Something's broken over here. What did we break? The shock eyelet. Good to know. Okay, shock eyelet did not last. My calculations are correct. We should be able to just snap her back on like that and get a few more out of her. Look at that. She's totally breaking now. The eyelets broke clear off, Captain. Oh. I would say the Dogbones are working out pretty well. Ooh. Yeah. Stop, low battery. The Dogbones worked out great. This thing did great. Dogbones worked great. What is going on with the front? Okay, the front left suspension arm starting to break. I can see that now. Look at that. I can tell that's a little off. You can kind of see how it's not symmetrical right there. We're gonna work on that. One on the right's fine. And these suspension arms are great. We just gotta replace the eyelet on this shock. And that's it. All right, let's take the shock off, and then let's take the eyelet off and replace it with one of those. Removing the old eyelet. Bye-bye. All right, that feels pretty good. Voila, we're back to normal. We finally got the suspension arm. This video's taken me like a month. It's horrible. Probably more. 6 weeks, maybe. Yay. So let me slap these things on. There we go. All right, we're gonna do our best to not destroy this one. We definitely have to take it out into a max jumping session with the beautiful ramp. Let's get back out there. Finally, we're back. Let's rip it up. Four-wheel drive, all 4 drive shafts are ripping, new suspension arms. We shouldn't have any troubles except with the dog bones, I think. So let's find out. I can see the back right, something's wrong already. What happened? Wow, man, the first 2 jumps, we broke something already. What did we break? All right, we snapped the eyelet, snapped it right off. Okay, this is an older eyelet that I didn't fix. I just super glued it. And the super glue is like the worst option ever. I can snap it back on. Yeah, all right. She snapped on, we're good. We can continue with drive shaft smashing. Now the battery's done, that's it.
The new eyelet's doing great. Not getting worn down at all because it took the anti-slip grip tape off the ramp, so no more of that. Live and learn. Time to replace the broken eyelet. There she is, the brand new eyelet. Beautiful.
We're back and we're bad. See what I can do. Oh, God. So I'm just trying to see how well the dog bones are gonna work. Oh. All right, rear dog bone broken. That's what I wanted to happen.
Snap, snap, the pin in the dog bone. Snap, snap, my whip back fuel blown. Snap, snap, the jump game too strong. RCP screaming all day long. Snap, snap, broken on the backflip. Snap, snap, now on the toolkit. Snap, snap, new pins, new chrome. I ride with the torque from the motor to the dome. No sweat though I stay prepped and packed. Got spares in the box and the plan of attack. Pop the clip, slid the bone real slow. Tap the new pen, time to reload. Snap, snap, the pin in the dog bone. Snap, snap, my whip back fuel blown. Snap, snap, the jump game too strong. RCP screaming all day long. Snap, snap, broken on the backflip. Snap, snap, now on the toolkit. Snap, snap, new pins, new chrome. I ride with the torque from the motor to the dome. Snap, snap, broken on the backflip. Snap, snap, now on the toolkit. Snap, snap, new pins, new chrome. I ride with the torque from the motor to the dome. Snap, snap, broken.
All right, we have one mission, and that is to destroy the drive shaft dog bone pins with 3 full batteries. Nothing's breaking yet. Can't believe it's still doing well. No more broken pin nightmares. Now we simply don't care how many drive shaft pins we snap out. Full speed. Okay, back right rear suspension arm snapped. The one on the left that's newer is still doing okay, even though it's a little filed down right there, but still holding steady and strong. So, try to finish the battery. And crack a dog bone, so we still got power. Still tearing it. Seriously guys, how are those dog bone drive shafts? Looking good to me. even with the broken suspension arm. How awesome. Oh. All right, finally. Mission accomplished. What do we do? What happened? You can see how it spins freely. It no longer works. The pin's cracked off for sure. I think that's the one I just fixed also, but that's hilarious. I mean, look how much bashing it just took. Now that we know what to fix, let's get home and fix that suspension arm. Oh my God, look at the thing. All right, rear of the car, we have brand new suspension arm, slider plate. Yeah, getting a little ruined, but still works. 2 screws holding them on, but that's what we're happy with. Other one's doing well, everything's good, full suspension, ready to go. So let's get back out there and try to break the Dogbone drive shaft pins for the final attempt. Hopefully the suspension arms make it through and they don't break. We're really gonna try not to break anything but the Dogbones. At least give them a longevity strength test with like 2-3 batteries worth of bashing. Full powered high jumps off the ramp. So let's get out there and get this video done.